Hi Librans, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. So tell me, how's your health? Because I remember 2 months, your health cards were not that good. Alright, so let me see. And do share my videos with everyone so that everyone really gets motivated and they know what is coming in for their future, or I might not say it's future, but it could be readings, so that they know how to behave, what to expect, Yep. Chalo, nice. Again, a health card, but it's improvement. Great. Right. What's with you, Librans? See, overall, I see lot of confusion in your head right now. Okay, what is to be done? Sometimes you get into a position where you start fighting with the universe or Bhagwan or God, Goddess is like, what do you really want from me? I did this and then you did that, and I did this and then you did that. So what do you exactly want? Just tell me and I'll do that, and but just leave me at peace. You are in such a kind of a state which I actually see. You're almost fighting with yourself. The fight is just with yourself, but it's okay. You're a part of universe. You are taken care of. You should know that, Breathe and prioritize. Breathe and prioritize. 1 day at a time, and in readings 1 month at a time. So 2 months निकल गए, अभी और 1 month है, फिर भी काफी better है. This month is much better. So again, some elderly person will need your assistance. Some elderly person will again need your attention also a lot. Maybe your father, maybe कोई भी बुजुर्ग, grandfather, neighbor, or someone whom you are associated with will be a little down, will be a little depressed mentally, and you need to just listen to them. They just need a listening ear. Maybe they don't need advice. Maybe they just don't. But they need a listening ear. And this is what we do actually. We do give advice, but sometimes with some clients, I don't use the word clients, I use the word healy. But sometimes in certain healies, I just know that they'll take care of themselves and they just need a listening ear. And I'm just open and I just say, I understand. So this is what you need to do with these elderly people. Alright, they will definitely need your attention. Don't take risks with money. Money will be fine, but don't take risks. You might take wrong decisions when it comes to money. Wrong decisions in the sense of outgoing of money, kahan spend karna hai. So yeah, you might take the Fool card. Okay, this is not the time to take risks with money. This is not the time that you will spend money on anything and everything. So for clarity, always use a clear quartz. And I don't know why most of my videos I've been giving these tips about clear quartz. Take a clear quartz tumble, put it in your water bottle and start drinking that water. It will give you a lot of clarity. Because now I know that you're fighting with yourself. I know you're fighting with yourself. I know that you just feel out of the place and you just feel. But see, it's an illusion. Whatever you're feeling right now is just an illusion in a transition phase. Because you're transiting to a better phase. So leaving the old phase where you're comfortable. Sometimes you're also comfortable in pain. Sometimes you're comfortable in your own morals. Even if you know that these morals are wrong and they are not giving any justice to you. But still, paramparagat ye hota aa raha hai. So how do I leave? Some morals also, how do I leave? Some addictions, how do I leave? Some belief systems of mine, how do I leave? So it's very difficult to leave, and if you don't leave, then obviously you are into a battle with yourself because the world has gone ahead. The energies have changed. You have to adapt to new energies now. So now you cannot have those old energies. So you will have to adapt, and you can affirm, I accept change in my life gracefully and willingly. You can affirm, I accept change in my life gracefully and willingly. You could also say easily for that matter. So हमारे जमाने में ये हुआ करता था. When I was small, when I was a kid, I used to get those certain chocolates. Now I don't get it. It's okay. Now you get another. Be happy with that. Be adaptive to change. We didn't have computers then. I don't know typing. Be adaptive to that, because this is the struggle that you are going through. You know, not getting adapted to the change, not getting adapted to new techniques, new thoughts, new things going around. So that's why you might take wrong decisions again. Career wise also it shows a little competition. If you are the best, you will win. So there is a competition card. There's a little, I might not say battle, but I might say you are in a position where you have to work now. Okay, or else things will go out of hand. But this thought is also an illusion, which I told you. It's also an illusion. If you have created this thought, means you've given some food to thought. So stop giving food to this thought. Give food to another thought that everything is fine. Everything is fine. And this is what I do. I am doing my best, my efforts. And may the best win. I am the best and I will win. So competition, it's fine to deal with competition. We've grown up with competition. Alright, first rank, second rank, third rank. We've grown up 90%, 97%. So competition is not new for us. But I don't mean that you slog. I don't mean that you do your work for competition. If you love your work, if you love what you're doing, and if you're completely determined, then you are the best. No one can put you into a bad position. Right? Then it comes to relations. Okay. Relations will also give you money, but relations will also demand money. You will be in both kind of a position. Some relations will give you money and some relations will demand money. Now it is your choice again, because I've already told you that don't take wrong decisions when it comes to money. So you can consult us if any personal tarot reading you want to have, because I see a lot of confusions. You could consult us directly. So there will be some people who will really give you money. There will be some people who will demand money, but you have to choose, because choice is everything. We as human have the best thing known as choice. I say gods also do not have choice. Some demon or some rakshas, वो भी तप कर लेता है तो भी भगवान को वो वर देना पड़ता है, उसके पास choice नहीं होता. God, goddesses also do not have choice. Tree, plants, animals also do not have choice. Humans have choice. Alright, so you should always use your free will of choice in the right way. Because free will of choice कोई नहीं तोड़ सकता. No one. Not even us healers. I have to still develop some software to do something on free will of choice. Alright, then okay. So see, your health condition is definitely improving. But it is not completely gone. The health issue is also not completely gone. It is improving for sure. You will not go down. Again, it's good. It's fine. This is the health card. Alright. It's on an improvement mode. So I know what you're going through right now. Some health issues, some money issues, some career competitions. But just breathe. Just breathe. Drink the water with the crystalline clear quartz water. Drink that water. It will really help. Batch flower remedies will also help. But you should take that with a proper batch flower therapist. That also will really help you. So yeah, fair enough. And there will be one turning point for you. You will learn something. If you learn something, it will be a turning point. Do some small time courses, do some, you get these workshops and seminars, 99 rupees or some are free or whatever. Just attend some workshops, learn something relating to maybe money or career or whatever. And that will really help. You'll get some insight from there. Maybe someone's experience will motivate you. Some tip you might get through this workshop. And do let me know about it. Okay, so overall, nothing to worry about. See, it's just 1 month. I always say 1 month at a time. It is just 1 month, November, that you have to cater to. And I've already told you the tips, I've already told you what might happen, how it might happen, and not for a long period of time, just 1 month. Okay, so let me know and take care till the next video. Bye bye.